Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today, I am admitting it, I am the stupidest man alive, or at least I feel that way at the moment, because quite frankly, I do these things so often. Not the mess ups, but the recordings of videos. Like, I literally record every day, whether it's a long form video, a short form video, a proposal I need to have sent to a company. I'd rather send a video to thoroughly explain everything instead of everyone just scrolling to the bottom, which is what it is. But that also said, when I end up, and I kid you not, when I end up doing some of these deliveries and I see that when I get into editing, or I'm about to start editing on something, and I notice that the microphone isn't working, or not working, but I just didn't switch on the right microphone, and because of that, it ruined the quality of the interview, I don't even want to edit it anymore. I'd rather just post it as is. But that also said, I did want to notate something because of the way I did it. My long form interviews don't really... They're not as popular, obviously. Not everybody is willing to sit through an hour's worth of content to just listen to me ask questions and have a debate with somebody. And it was a great conversation, don't get me wrong. The person I ended up talking to actually gave us some insight on things, and even a company name that I didn't even know about. And don't even get me started on the fact that we may have business with them in the future, but that's not even the point. The point is that woof, did that just suck in general that I couldn't get the record, like the right microphone on. God, I hope I put on the right microphone now. If I turn this up, if I get editing into this and I find out that my computer mic and this mic is disconnected, I am literally going to post that I'm not posting tonight. Like, that is literally gonna be me that day, because I am tired of making that mistake. And I also messed up a interview I had with Mako. That was literally the same thing. I don't know what is going on with me these days, to where that's my habitual behavior now. But I guess we're doing this now. Although, on the other side to that, I'm glad that things are really revving up business-wise. I am handling some other stuff in the meantime, but still, this is insane. This is nuts. There's a lot of really good things coming our way, between the course, between the trucks finally potentially doing something. I got some stuff with a lawyer that's going on pretty good. We got some government contract stuff coming through. And there's a lot of good stuff on the way. I am hyped for that. I am here for it with you guys. This is going to be amazing. Either way, that's everything I wanted to talk about. I didn't want to make this super in-depth for obvious reasons. This is an excuse video. I ended up doing a lot of just stuff that I can't really talk about today, because it's like, again, the legal stuff I can't really get too deep into yet. But yeah, I will see you guys next time.